Hi guys! Today we will talk about the possibility of having control over your dreams. If you are new here and think we will back it up with spiritual or mystical evidence, we're happy to let you know it's all backed up by, well, science. Physical health and mental health has always been connected, but there has always been a knowledge gap between the two. At Health Yard, we aim to bridge that gap and talk about health issues and solutions. If this seems like something of interest to you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. What is lucid dreaming? Remember the time your friend was talking about their dream where they knew it was a dream? If, at that time, you thought, meh, you might want to reconsider. A dream where the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming is called a lucid dream. It's very much a thing, a scientific thing. The situation your friend was describing might be an involuntary lucid dream. These dreams are rare and difficult to monitor. However, you can train your brain to lucid dream. While you may ask, people who suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, depression, or other conditions can benefit from controlling their dreams. Lucid dream therapy is most popular among PTSD patients. During a lucid dream, your mind is aware that it is in a state of dream. It can control reactions and situations taking place in a dream. Hence the term sleep-wake state, or metacognition is often used for this state. So how do you train your brain to lucid dream? Here are some of the ways. Number 1, reality testing. Dreams arise from your subconscious and memory box. Reality testing is a way of choosing content for your memory box. During the day, you will ask yourself if you are dreaming or awake. You will ask yourself this question several times. During sleep, when your brain is replaying your day in your head during REM sleep, this question will arise at some point. You will gain some control over your dreams since you are likely to ask yourself, am I dreaming or awake in your dream? 2, way back to bed and mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. WBTB and MILD are often used in conjunction to achieve lucid dreaming. WBTB is a technique in which you wake up in the middle of the night for half an hour to an hour and a half and then go back to sleep. This helps your brain in recognizing the difference between sleep and awake states. MILD also involves waking up in the middle of the night with the addition of repetition of phrases like, next time I dream, I will know I am dreaming. You are more likely to dream about anything you have been repeating, thus giving you control over your dream. Number 3, external stimulus. Sometimes if a piece of certain music, fragrance, or other stimulus is activated during a patient's REM sleep, it will be incorporated into their dreams. This will trigger their metacognition, making them aware that they are dreaming. That's all from us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to hear more about lucid dreaming, please leave a comment below.